All right, hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing some math questions that I got from MathUp. Let's get started. So the first one says, Harry had 3 erasers. So I'm going to show 3 erasers with 3 snap cubes, 1, 2, 3. And he bought 5 more. All right, he bought 5 more. So there's 5 more. So he had 3, okay, and he bought 5 more. Okay, so let's connect them together. Okay, how many does he have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So Harry has 8 erasers. Now, Minji had 5 erasers. Okay, so there's 5 erasers for Minji, and she bought 3 more. There's 3 more. Okay, and there we go. We connect them together. So she had 5, and she bought 3 more. So 5 plus 3 more is 8. Okay, so Harry had 8, and Minji had 8. So who had more erasers? Right, it's a trick question. They both have the same number, okay? So whether we do for Harry 3 plus 5, or for Minji, if we do 5 plus 3, either way, it's going to equal 8. 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3, both equal 8, okay? And you can see that there with the popsicle sticks. 3 popsicle sticks plus 5 more is 8. 5 popsicle sticks plus 3 more is 8. So 3 plus 5 and 5 plus 3 are the same. Okay, that would be like 1 plus 8 is the same as 8 plus 1. Or 2 plus 9 is the same as 9 plus 2. Good job. Let's go to the next one. Okay, choose a number less than 10. Well, I know less than means smaller than. So choose a number smaller than 10. Any number smaller than 10. Okay, so I'm going to choose 6. 6 is smaller than 10. Okay, so there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what 2 numbers could make your number? So what 2 numbers could make 6? Well, if I split this in half, okay, 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, I could split it here. And 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, or I could split it here and say 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so those, could be the different numbers. Okay, all right, which domino shows the bigger number? So this domino has 4 dots on the top and 5 on the bottom. So 4 plus 5, I wrote it down here, 4 plus 5 equals 9, okay? And then, let me just move my picture down here. This domino has 2 on the top and 5 on the bottom. 2 plus 5 is 7. So which domino has the bigger number? This one has 9 dots, and this one has 7 dots. That's right, 9 is bigger. Okay, so this domino shows the bigger number. Good job. All right, how many dots can you put on each side of the line on the domino to make 8? Okay, so I'm going to start off with 8. Whoops. There we go. So I have 8 snap cubes. So I need 2 numbers, one to put on the top and one to put on the bottom that add up to 8. Okay, we could do 6 plus 2. We could do 4. All right, continuing on, what other combinations could we do? We could do, if we split it here, We could do 3 and 5, okay? And you can see the different combinations there. Okay, 6 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 4 plus 4. And they all give you 8. Okay, and here's 2 different ways you can do it. You can do the dominoes, draw dominoes, or you can use counters. Okay? All right. You have 7 balloons to share with your friend. How many balloons can each of you have? Okay, here I drew a picture of 7 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and I circled 2 for me. So if I had 2, how many would that leave for my friend? My friend would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because 2 plus 5 equals 7. Okay, here I use counters, 7 counters. I could have 4, and my friend could have 3. And 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, here's a chart that I created here to show you guys from Math Up, and it shows you all the different combinations. If I had 6 balloons, my friend could have 1, and that would be 7. I could have 5 balloons, and they could have 2, and that's 7. I could have 4, and they could have 3, and that's 7. So you get the idea. There's lots of different combinations. Whoops. So you saw 12 fireflies. Ooh, nice, 12 fireflies. But you want to see 20. How many more do you need to see? So again, you saw 12 fireflies, but you want to see 20s. So how many more do you need to see? Okay, for this question, I used a number line. Here's my number line. And my number line starts at what number? 1, and it goes all the way to what number? 20. Good. Okay, so it says you saw 12 fireflies. So I put a counter on 12 because I saw 12 fireflies. Now, how many more would I need to see to get to 20? So we're going to count up from 12. Okay, so we're at 12. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, I need another hand, 18, 19, 20. So we counted up 8 more. So if I wanted to see 20 fireflies, I would need to see 8 more. Okay, so we're starting at 12. I saw 12. How many more to get to 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more would bring us to, okay, and there I've showed it with counters too. I started with 12 red counters, okay, and then I added more till I got to 20. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I added 8 more counters. So I'd have to see 8 more to get to 20. How many bears are in the bag? Okay, let's start by watching the short little clip for the wonder task called Bag of Bears. There's a green bear, and a red bear. Oh, and a yellow bear. Ooh, look at that bag there. Has lots of bears in it. What do you wonder from watching that video? Do you have any questions? Things you'd like to know? What's that? Oh, you'd like to know how many bears are in that bag? Me too. All right, how many bears are in the bag? So what information would you need to know to figure out how many bears are in that bag? Maybe you want to know how many of each color, how many red bears, how many yellow bears, how many blue bears, how many green bears? Okay, I'll tell you that. Okay, there you go. So there are 7 yellow bears in the bag, 3 red bears in the bag, and 7 green bears in the bag. Okay, does that help you? Okay, so we have to add up how many bears we have all together, and there's no blue bears. Okay, so how many bears are in the bag? Now, you guys have seen this tool before. What's this called? A 10 frame. Very good. It's a 10 frame. Okay, so you'll see I use the 10 frame to add them up. So we know we have 7 yellow bears. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 yellow. Okay, 3 red. So I put in 3 reds. 1, 2, 3. And then 7 green. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now this 10 frame is full. So how many dots are in this 10 frame? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 bears is what we have all together. That's one way you can solve this question. Okay, the other way is using a number line. Okay, so we're going to start at 0 and count 7 for yellow, okay, because there's 7 yellow bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? And then you'll see there are 3 red bears, so count on 3 more. 1, 2, 3, okay? And then 7 green, so count 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we get to 17. There are 17 bears all together. Now, on the next 3 slides, you will see that there are some addition questions for you to answer, okay? You can create your own number line, okay, if it's helpful, the way I did, okay? You can use blocks or anything that you can use for counting, okay, if it helps you. All right, enjoy. Take care.